Hello, welcome back to C's Culinary. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make cream cheese sugar cookies. We're going to start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour and add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/4 teaspoons baking powder. Mix all your dry ingredients together and then just set it aside. And you're going to get 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to that you're going to add 1 cup of butter. And you're going to mix all of that together. Then you're going to want to add 1 room temperature egg to that. You're going to want to make sure all of your ingredients are roughly the same temperature, that way it all mixes together evenly. And then you're going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese. The cream cheese keeps your dough soft and helps prevent it from getting overbaked and just has a softer product at the end. And to that, you're going to want to add 1 teaspoon of orange zest. It adds a little bit of flavor without it changing it too much, not to the point where you have to call them orange sugar cookies. Alright, now that your dough is rested in the refrigerator, you're just going to want to take it out and make sure that it's not too cold, so that it's easily rolled out. You just wanted to make sure it gets that all the butter and stuff are solidified. Then you're gonna just want to flour it and roll it out. Now the thickness of your sugar cookies really depends on personal preference. I like mine relatively thick, that way I know that they will stay soft. You're going to want to apply a good amount of pressure, and you may have to piece it back together a little bit. And get easier to roll as it gets warmer. And then you're just going to flour your cutters and then peel away your dough here. Now, a lot of people like to roll their dough out on their cookie sheets and then cut their shapes out and peel away the dough altogether. And then with your scraps, you just reform it and roll it out again. And again, a lot of professionals say that this will make your cookies tough. Which I kind of agree with, kind of don't. The cream cheese really helps make that less likely to happen.